did hear that. This is beautiful.
This is schmancy.
Oh, schmancy dancy. Look at the brightness of those colors.
Alright guys, so we are here at
The warehouse.
and we're gonna show you guys the new warehouse and all the I'm trying to get both of it. We're gonna show you guys the new warehouse and everything that's going on. We got a big space, so yeah, we're here. We're finally here. We got the camera. We're gonna shoot some different videos. Check out some other things. Check out a new product. You guys kind of seen the little preview that I did. So let's go ahead and get into the. You excited?
Let's do it.
Let's go ahead and get to the video.
Get the shirt.
Oh yeah, we're
Process and transfers.
Bang bang. You excited?
I am excited. I'm excited to release our new products. I'm excited to see the new space for the warehouse. I got my notebook and excited to learn everything, new things.
Let's go. There's a lot going on in there.
There's a bunch of them too.
There is?
A lot of these big ass things. They got lights in them, all kinds of stuff.
This is nice.
This is big.
So,
Oh,
the printers and then cable with that.
Oh, that's nice.
And I gotta figure out what to do with this shit. I think I'm gonna have to put a banner or something.
This is like payless stuff.
it was a Payless?
No, it is a flooring company. You can't tell it now.
Oh.
There's so many different patches of floors.
Flooring company.
That makes sense now. You're gonna leave it like this though, right?
The floor?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can buy for you. All that. Yeah, I'm gonna put my shit, my desk and stuff like that.
I'm going to post all these, and then I have the address in case people want to come.
I want them gone. Free.
Alright, take it. Is this door always open, or you lock it?
I lock it at night now that I'm starting to put some stuff.
Okay, so if someone does, I'll say come there, business hours, whatever.
Yeah. 9 to 3.
That's crazy. It's crazy.
9 to 3, that's a good day.
I wish it was 9 to 3. Opacity. That's a perfect one to show y'all.
Yeah.
So, see how choppy it is?
We got these two.
I'm gonna wait till it came out here. Oh.
Hit us up.
Boomerang.
Boomerang. Why are you looking at that?
Keep rolling.
YouTube, don't flag it because you hear the same audio on both. Don't flag it.
Let me touch it.
You heard it?
Oh, I
Ooh.
did hear that. This is beautiful.
This is schmancy.
All right, sublimation. Thank you for hooking that design up. All right, so we are going to practice on our first sublimation job. So we are at 390 for 10 seconds. So this is our schmancy dancy heat press.
Oh. He set you up. He set you up.
Scared me. I thought
Yeah.
how does it know to go down by itself? That's amazing.
That is
You don't have to do nothing. It's gonna open up and move out of your way.
Oh, okay,
You got set
seconds.
up. You got set up. That's funny.
Oh, so how many seconds was it? 40? Oh, 50 seconds.
50 seconds, a whole minute. Oh, because of that material?
Oh no, that is sublimation. It's like, well, I think I used to do like 400 at 60 seconds, but everything's different.
But it'll open up.
Okay.
You even recording?
Oh, schmancy dancy. Look at the brightness of those colors, the vibrancy. Wow.
That's crazy.
Sublimation
Yeah,
at its finest.
They've been talking to me the whole time. I'm gonna let them do another one so they can get one more. Doesn't look so vibrant on the print, does it?
No, I
not
know
at all.
the heat makes it hot.
Yeah, it's a really good heat.
I can tell.
Paper,
Light
light stuff.
Yeah.
I learned. I tried it whenever.
This
Yes.
is the gang sheet, sublimation gang sheet.
Sublimation gang sheet, as you guys saw. So now, you know, we have our DTF gang sheets. Now we have our
Don't flag us, YouTube. Don't
our
flag us.
DTF gang sheets, $19.99 for 24 by 22. Now we have our sublimation gang sheets. How much are they? Visit our website.
Yeah, we're still gonna have the stickers, but we're just still testing it. This way we make sure we get it right in the pricing and everything. There it goes cutting. It's cutting our stickers out. Print and cut. Full decal stickers. Full sticker decals. Full color sticker decals. All right, so the stickers are done. We're done printing. Like I said, we're still working on everything before we release these stickers, but these, we're gonna put some on our cars and some other places too, but yeah, we can do full color vinyl, no, breathable vinyl decal stickers.
Weatherproof.
Weatherproof. So actually, I'm gonna peel off the one that Shelly already did because I'm scared to peel off a new one.
No.
Peel off a new one?
It's your own experience.
You're scared.
It's okay.
Nah, they feel, but they're extremely durable and strong. So I can like peel it like this,
Yeah.
and you don't have to worry about it ripping or tearing or anything like that. So all those other companies that can do stickers, so can we. And look at it compared to a transfer. So we have a transfer on my hoodie in white. And look at it compared to the transfer. Can you see it? The color?
So good.
Like that's really good. This is the transfer. This is the sticker vinyl. Breathable. So we're gonna actually do a separate video where we put these on our cars and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, we can do it all. You've seen the sublimation. You've seen the DTF. You know the OG DTF. YouTube, don't flag us because we got the same similar videos. Don't flag us, YouTube. Yeah, don't flag us. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. You guys seen the sublimation. You guys seen the vinyl stickers. You guys seen the new spot, new printers and everything that are coming. That's coming. Yeah, we're just working behind the scenes to get you guys the fastest product at Flash, the best product, and at the lowest price. So just, you know, if you want to order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. That's the email. You can email your images if it's your first time buying, or if you don't know anything about this process. Don't go onto the website, flashcustomtransfers.com. Don't go there and start buying 10 sheets and all this other stuff. No, don't do that. Email us and just ask us questions and we'll help you out. We'll walk you through the process to get your product to you. So again, this product is not available yet, but the sublimation gang sheets are available $14.99. By the time this video comes out, it'll be on the website so you guys can get it. So don't forget to subscribe to Flash Custom Transfers on YouTube. She's back, Shelly's back. We're doing content on the channel. So do not forget to subscribe. You'll see a different scene because it's for Shelly's video over there. So it's not necessarily straight out of content. It's Flash Custom Transfers filming, only Flash Custom Transfers content on Flash Custom Transfers YouTube. So check it out, go subscribe, get those watch hours up so we can get back rolling. All right, guys, that's gonna be it. You know my slogan. I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat. Peace.